The first ever national integration camp in Tripura was officially inaugurated today on Tuesday by the Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha, hosted by the Tripura State Bharat Scouts and Guides under the Directorate of Youth Affairs and Sports. Minister Tinku Roy and other dignitaries were also present at the event.
The inaugural ceremony was held at the Purbasa Urban Heart Grounds, marking a historic event for the state. This is the first ever national integration camp in Tripura, hosted by Tripura State Bharat Scouts and Guides under the Directorate of Youth Affairs and Sports. The camp saw the participation of Scouts and Guides volunteers from across the country who engage in various activities designed to promote social harmony and cultural exchange. Speaking at the formal inauguration, Chief Minister highlighted the camp's role in promoting cultural exchange among the youth. He stated that the uniform worn by participants represents their identity and unity, likening the youth to the pillars of development for the nation. Dr. Saha informed the gathering that representatives from a total of 18 states are participating in the camp with a delegation of approximately 368 members. This year's theme is Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat, a motto strongly advocated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Loyalty, then helpfulness, brotherhood, politeness is very important, then kindness to animals, obedience, courage, and purity in thought and deed. In this camp, the major attraction is there are already state exhibition have been set up here. Handicrafts, culture, traditions, marriage customs, food, dress, ornaments, then language, rituals, etc. etc. Exhibition of Indian festivals and marriage traditions. And here it would be exhibited the folk songs and folk dances, patriotic songs, food plaza, then traditional attire show, then integration games. Such a campaign, the cleanliness campaign would be there, then campfire. In Tripura, the present status of Scout and Guides is Scout and Guide units, high and higher secondary schools, about 214. Total members are about 6,070. Total unit leaders 214 and new units proposed to be open 50 in different schools and colleges. Open Robber and Ranger, that is their senior Scout and Guides respectively, about 365. So far, Tripura State Bharat Scouts and Guides have achieved, their achievements are members awarded with the President's Award, that is the highest honor in Scouting and Guiding, about 38. Major activities of the Scout and Guides in Tripura and other places, anti-drug campaigns and rallies, very important for us. International Yoga Day celebration, Kharchi Puja, community service camp, then participation in Republic Day parade, participation in the Independence Day parade, Durga Puja and Diwali social service activities, Scouts and Guides Flag Day, that is Foundation Day, that is 7th November. National Youth Day, we know the birthday of our Swami Vivekananda, 12th January. Participation in Diamond Jubilee Jamboree in Tamil Nadu. Then hiking, nature study come exposure visit, World Thinking Day and Blood Donation Day, blood donation camp on 22nd February, observation of World Environment Day and tree plantation program, basic training course for Scout Masters and Guide Captains, preparatory camp for National Integration Camp 2025.
Among the other dignitaries present at the inaugural function were Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports Tinku Roy and the Acting Sabadipati of West Tripura Jilla Parishad Biswajit Sil.
Next.
Reported by Pranav from Agartala. Chini Khorang.